To hear more options, press 0.
What are you talking about?
Now this step isn't in the recipe, but I need to boil my alcohol first so I can get like the alcohol out. Or not boil, or just like cook it some, so I can get the alcohol out. So as you guys know, this is the one I'm using. I'm just gonna simmer it or whatever just for a little bit to get the alcohol out, and then I'm gonna get back to the actual recipe. Now, which one of these cups? I think it's this one. So let's get started. Those light chunks are because the cream was sitting so long. My brother does not tend to use his heavy cream, but it's not bad. I checked. Trust. And yeah. If you guys haven't noticed so far, we're winging this. I don't have enough butter, and I had to switch up my chocolate, which I also didn't have enough for. So we're just gonna see how this all pans out, okay? So we need to bring this to a boil, and then go ahead and take it out and pour it over my bowl of chocolate. And then we'll add in everything else. Like you guys saw, I went ahead and cooked this a little bit. And yeah, I added a little bit more. So like, since it's being cooked a little bit, I just wanted to add a little more to make sure I still had enough. And then these are for my toppings. So yeah, we'll be back when that's boiling and I'm ready to pour.
This smells like marshmallows.
Alright, so my chocolate mixture has been in the refrigerator for a little over 2 hours. It's not as firm as it should be, but I don't feel like waiting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to melt some of the normal chocolate. Here's my saucepan with the water in it. I'm going to use this bowl in the top, and then I'm going to put it in my molds, and then I'm going to freeze that, and then put the creamy chocolate mixture in, and then melt more chocolate and cover it on top. And we'll see how that goes, because I'm not sure how it's gonna go. But basically, and I don't have like a candy thermometer either, so it's just gonna have to be what it be. Wait, what does this say? It says, okay. Yeah, so I don't need to do all of this anyway because this is for the entire chocolate and I'm not doing it that way. So I don't know, we're just gonna see what happens. And I'll come back when this is actually boiling. Where's the thing? And see if we can make something. But by the way, so far the chocolate mixture tastes really good. So. Okay, so this is what I'm left with. There we go. So I use a fork. I'm gonna use the rest of this chocolate. It's gonna be with the other like overlay chocolate, so that's why I'm not really worried about all that. But I use a fork and put it in the molds, and then I'm gonna put this in the freezer so it can harden a little bit. And then I'm gonna put my other mixture in there, and then I'm gonna melt more chocolate to lay over top. And then actually, while I'm here, let me go ahead. You can't see, but I mean, kind of. I'm gonna put, oh, there's a hole in the bag. The almonds in there. These are crushed honey glazed almonds. So I'm just gonna sprinkle and then go ahead and put these in the freezer. So that way, when I put the other chocolate in here, it'll be like when you bite into it, you'll have both. If that makes sense. Oh, my bad. And then there'll be a little bit more almonds on top. But actually, I don't know if I can do it on top. It's gonna have to be on the bottom. So this is what I have. We have a problem. Please hold. We have another problem.